Welcome to my pig researcher channel. Today I show you the pig replaced from another room. Right now workers are ready for way making the direction, where direction east west to east. Berapa arah rumah? 16. 16 room today replace the pig. These pigs are almost 80 kg, 40 kg. There are worker. You can see their worker tree. This is the Myanmar and Nepal. These are Rai, two people's Rai, one Myanmar. See, you can see their video. This is the name of Sandesh. This is the Gopal. Today many 16 room total. So why replace the pig? Because pig replace they have the another room very cool. The temperatures control the temperature and AC. They have so comfortable room, and pig are very fast growth and maintain his maintain the oil. Replace the pig. So I shoot the video. People are there. So very hard work. You can see. So angry people here. Why not helping his pig? Share people. Oh, don't kick, don't kick. Hard working. This is actually the pig from very dirty place, so work very dirty. See water. Pig actually very dirty animal, so I don't want to eat, but I like for some business. So only 3 remaining, only 3 remaining here. नरिसाउन भाइ भिडियो चाहिँ एउटा भिडियो बनाउँछु चाहिँ गरे बियर खुवाउँछु यार म. Here one guy is the Myanmar. Hi guys, how are you? You are very happy today? Yeah. Okay. So laughing and very smiling, very good. You have the labar, huh?
Yeah, Labara.
Okay. The way is very far. I think half kilometer. I cannot see this very far. Here very big fun. There is a light. This side is the window in the hills. कसरी टार्ने? एकछिन भेटिहाल्छ, एकछिन पर्खौँ न. त्यतिका पर्छ. It's not easy, very hard. People are thinking very easy work. It's very easy, but it's not good. Very hard. Sweating from body. This is the Gopal right from Damorong, Nepal. Another is Myanmar. Oh, hello guys. Hello guys. Oh, take care. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello. today replace the pig. C5. Only 5 remember, but very hard. That's what replace. No, 5. 6. 6. Slowly. Don't escape, huh? Don't escape. Don't escape. Are you? I have one hand camera. How to pushing pig? Ooh, I will die, mom. I will die. So pushing me. Okay, I pull your tail. I kick you. Bastard. अरे यस्तो काम गर्नु भने त पुरो हलो जोत्दै राम्रो हो जी काका यस्तो काम गर्नु त हलो जोत्दै राम्रो यसरी हो यहाँ पछाडिपट्टि very hard replace the pig. My hand is already tired. Thank you so much. Hi. Okay, hi. Thank you so much. Hello, guys. Thank you. Udah. Okay, like this, big place, very hard work, very difficult. It is not good work. Okay, bye. Sign out today, guys. Next video, I see you. Bye. Take care.